Hi, this is Amy Burvall coming to you from Hawaii, but I'm on my way to Melbourne, Australia, and I, along with Academic Tribe, will be hosting a one-day fabulous workshop in Melbourne, Australia on April 11th. It's called Cultivating Creativity at Work. But it's perfect for anyone who is in the corporate sector, in learning and development, who works with teams, especially anyone in education or training to be a teacher, or those who work with teachers. We will be looking first at our relationship with creativity, and then explore the why of creativity. Why is it such a necessary skill in this age of increasing automation in an unpredictable world with wicked problems? The bulk of it will be exploring how creativity works, what it is, what it isn't, things like the role of intuition and serendipity, curiosity and wonder, purposeful play, and especially looking at things through different perspectives. And of course, my favorite, metaphorical thinking and also remix and recontextualization. Then we'll look at ideation strategies, how to come up with ideas, how to refine them, and then of course amplify them so that they can be brought to life. And then the bulk of the afternoon will be working with hands-on activities from my book, Intention, Critical Creativity in the Classroom. And we'll be working with how to create with words, images, our bodies, stuff, Legos, Play-Doh, Oreo cookies, and others, including in social media. These are creative constraints that will be perfect strategies for you to implement next week at work. And finally, we'll look at how we can make creativity a sustainable habit. How can we maximize the creativity potential in our spaces that we work in, that we live in, and how can we cultivate our own personal creative habit as well? So please, I hope that you will consider joining us on April 11th in Melbourne, Australia.